GoPro HERO10 Black, waterproof action camera with front LCD and touch rear screens, 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video, 23MP photos, 1080p live streaming, webcam, stabilization revolutionary processor, faster, smoother, better. The powerful new GP2 engine changes the game, snappy performance, responsive touch controls and double the frame rate for amazingly smooth footage. Designed specifically for the demanding nature of the GoPro, the GP2 system on a chip is by far our fastest ever. High-res photos plus videos, high frame rate, step up to the sharpest shooting GoPro ever. Upgraded to incredible 23 megapixels photos and 5.3K video resolution at 60 frames per second, HERO10 offers double the frame rate for amazingly smooth motion. Plus, there's 8-fold slo-mo at 2.7K, and you can pause videos and grab 15.8 megapixel still photos from 5.3K video that with fine detail, realistic textures and stunning contrast, even in low light. Images look their best thanks to a new water-shedding hydrophobic lens cover that repels water while helping to eliminate lens flare and other artifacts. Hypersmooth has never been smoother, and it's easy to dial in the best stabilization of all times. Plus, get even better low-light performance and horizon leveling with a higher tilt limit so your footage looks perfectly straight when you want it. Fast, reliable connectivity, super easy, super fast. Transferring photos and videos from your cloud-connected GoPro to your phone is simple and versatile, with your choice of effortless wireless upload via the Quick app or a lightning-fast wired connection via USB. There's also unlimited cloud storage with hassle-free auto upload. Just plug in your camera when connected to your home Wi-Fi, and the camera does the rest.